My name is Tego Mkwena, former Cosmos player, national team, SA. So we are here to support the Tenyani Legacy Games. So
njengoba wena as a legend ulana namhlanje like uzosupport intwana and wena uke wadlala sewubone bani yiphi game ekuchazile.
There's few players that I can quote which much they stand a chance to go far. Yeah, but they have to have the support. You understand? So yes. I'm happy to be here and somehow to contribute, especially in LFA as a Thokoza.
And now ngiyazi in few coming days kuzobe kune tournament yakho nje.
Yes. You know what happened? It's good to be in collaborate with the LFA because the LFA itself is a mother body. As in my tournament, if we're under LFA, which is a good thing. You understand? To uplift the boys. You understand? Those boys to achieve themselves. You understand? And it's good. And my tournaments, it comes after Itenyani. You understand? And so much it's
iyonke ukhazi kasi nyaliphakamisa.
You understand? It's a once-off thing. You understand? It happens somewhere, sometimes in a year 3 times. You understand?
Mina Frotman lami ngiyabonga ke ngithi thank you mara sazoshaya full interview about ama games wakhazwakalayo ngiyabonga kakhulu.
We'll do definitely because we want to see more players from Thokoza but in PSA. Because we know we have I don't know, it's 1 or 2 players that are playing PSL this nowadays, and which is Mtaum and Undonto, and so it's somehow the big
motivating.
Yeah, the big city like Thokoza, Ekurhuleni itself, then we need more players. So I'm happy to be part of this tournament.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu.